On today's episode of the Jamaican cooking journey, I'm going to be sharing with you my green banana signature porridge. Yeah, my Debbie Dongaya green banana signature porridge recipe. But I just want to pause here to say special thanks to all the people supporting the cooking journey, Debbie's Jamaican family, and of course the Jamaican Debbie strain. Thanks for loving, thanks for supporting. I encourage you here because I know some people they really don't watch to the end of the videos, but I encourage you here to go and check out Dad's Instagram page. He's a poster on Instagram page. We are just starting posting pictures. Worse if you're in the Jamaica area. If you're there foreign and you want make your house a Jamaica and you furnish it and all of that. The link also will be in the description of this video. We'll put the name of the page onto the screen. I will not forget to say special thanks to my patrons. Welcome to the new patrons. Thank you all so much. And of course, our post notification shoutouts, they go right up there. Debbie's Jamaican green banana signature porridge. Roll it. Now, for this recipe, I'm going to be using green bananas. They have been peeled for purpose of the video. Everybody knows the peel Jamaica. I want you to slow down as you go along. Slow down while you're watching on your device, and the ingredients will be listed. The proportion of the ingredients: green bananas, freshly squeezed coconut milk or canned coconut milk wherever you are, compact light brown sugar, evaporated milk, vanilla, flaxseed, little plain flour, fresh mixed spice, homemade that is, and of course you know we're gonna be using salt. Next clip. Cinnamon. I'm using my Jamaican cinnamon leaf and I've let it boil until all the flavors them come out. You might not be able to get it where you are. If you can, you just use a few leaves, and then you ought to know that you're supposed to leave the branches too, or the sticks. Look here, all the flavor then come out of the cinnamon already. But if you use your cinnamon, you know them long one there, yeah, feel free. But this is my Jamaican cinnamon. You see the color? Yeah, our water is there, and I'm gonna have it on the low. Okay, so you want to boil your cinnamon leaves or your cinnamon stick ahead of time. Normally, you know, I'll put my mace and all of them something there, but I'm not doing this today. I have it in a different form. We are going now for the one blend method. 4 cups of, I'll tell you how much, and I'm gonna be putting my thing on right here. I'm going to be blending out my bananas first and foremost. I'm going to be blending them out to a certain texture. So we are going to eat this and blend out the banana then. Next clip. Bananas all blended. That was just banana and water. Plain green banana and water. Flaxseed. Some plain flour. This is my homemade mixed spice. I'm gonna slap it a little, fresh it up. I just made it in there. Mixed spice in. That's how we do it. Back onto the machine. Blend one more time. I hope you're ready for this blend. This is the blend. This is the look. Yeah, our cinnamon flavored water, and it's still on the low, and as we pour we stir. Oh, no, that's how my thing going a porridge. As we pour we stir. You stir slowly, and you stir slowly, you pour slowly. As it hits the hot water, it starts to get thick, so you want to make sure it does not clump. Once you go slow and stir slow, pour slow, it's not supposed to clump. Pretty nice color and all of that. Next clip. Make sure you get every bit out of this thing, you know. Is what I say, because this is not something to waste. Okay, continue your stirring until it starts to thicken. It's thickening. You see that? Look at that. It's thickening. So once it's thickening, it will start to clump. I have my coconut milk on my stove top, keeping warm. Yeah, so we're gonna stir until we get the full texture, or you know, consistency of this porridge with that flour in there cooking out a little to give it what, as you stir, you see, yeah, you see that smoothness. We're gonna stir until we get it coming all thickened, and then we're gonna add some coconut milk to keep it at the right consistency. This porridge will not take a long time to cook, you know. 10 minutes the most. The coconut milk takes 7. The flour will take about 2 to 3. Next clip. Some coconut milk in at this point. That's fine for me. Get it all mixed in. Don't forget your salt. This is at the very point that you're going to need to put in some salt. Maybe at the end, if you need more, you will just have it. And that is about a teaspoon of salt. And the salt, you all know, it brings the flavors together. Dissolve the salt properly. The coconut milk is there. Everything is there. It's cooking. It has not lost anybody. So look here. You want to keep stirring. And you want to be at a medium pace. You don't want it to cook and boil over too much, you know. Constantly stirring and all of that. So in the next clip, I'll show you what I'll be doing whilst this porridge cooks. So we have 3 ingredients leave. We're going to put these 2 together, dissolve them. You could substitute these for a tin of condensed milk. I have 1 cup of compact light brown sugar. And I have half a cup of evaporated milk, and I'm going to dissolve it. Or dissolve them both. Whilst we have a little. In here, I'll be putting my vanilla. And about, I would say about a tablespoon. This one is not bad. Yeah. So we're going to dissolve it until everything just, you know, the brown sugar takes a little time. And so if you want to warm the evaporated milk, you can do that. So we'll leave it. You see what it look like? Yeah. We're going to dissolve it. This is going to be our sweetener. Yeah. Let's look at our porridge in the next clip. So you see our porridge has gotten so thick. Yeah. So we want to scrape around. We have it on the low. Yeah. We have about a minute or 2 to go. So you make sure you keep it all stirred. And of course, you know, so more time the porridge catch. And you have a little niceness there down at the bottom. Now is the time to pour in this mixture right in there. Every last bit of it with that caramel looking color there. All of them something there on the low. Let's stir this in real slow. You're gonna give it 1 minute more. And as I always say, you know I say that, but don't sweeten on the flame. But I remember I have already dissolved the granules of the sugar with the evaporated milk. We're stirring in. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Debbie Dongayard signature green banana porridge. When you see me next, have a plating of some of this just for you. This is the last. I tasted and I thought, or I knew, or I realized that I need a little chops of salt. I would imagine that. Flame is off. Porridge ready. Look at this. Look at this. You see that? You see this? Yeah. How do you do? Let's taste. May I taste the porridge first? Ooh, look at this. Hot. Make sure say you have your porridge all cool down. Porridge can't drip off. Not drip off a spoon. It's time to serve this porridge. Oh, hello? Yeah. From my kitchen to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your palate, and most of all to your stomach. It is Debbie's Jamaican green banana signature porridge. Dad, you show them up on it? Yes, yeah, show them. Yeah. So look here, nothing on drop. Everything's there. Wow. Cold time now, you know. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, man. Next clip. Here you go, cooking fam. From my kitchen once more to yours. From my Jamaican kitchen to your family table, to your palate, and most of all to your stomach. My signature Jamaican green banana porridge. If you're using green plantain, omit the flour. Okay? Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. Remember to make sure you're thumbsing up the videos. Remember to make sure you're watching the ads. Leave me a comment below. And I'll catch you with another video.